In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Inspector panel in Wix Studio. Whether you're a seasoned website designer or just getting started, understanding the Inspector panel is a crucial step in creating a polished website with Wix. The Inspector panel may seem a bit overwhelming at first glance, but once you familiarize yourself with its features, you'll find it an incredibly powerful tool for customizing your site. Let's dive right in by opening your Wix Studio. Once you have your website open in the editor, the Inspector panel is that right-hand side panel where you'll see a variety of options depending on which element you're working with. The first thing to keep in mind is that the Inspector panel is context sensitive, which means it changes its content based on the element selected on your web page. For example, if you select a text box, the panel will show options related to text. If you choose an image, you'll see image-related options. This dynamic nature makes it quite effective for direct and specific customizations. Now, with an element selected, you'll first notice sections like Design, Layout, and Behavior, among others, in the Inspector panel. Let's talk about the Design section. Here, you can adjust the style of your elements. For text boxes, you can change fonts, colors, and sizes, while for images, you might adjust the borders or add filters. This section provides various properties for quick customization and ensures your design aligns perfectly with your vision. Moving on to the Layout section, this is where you manage size and positioning. It allows you to fine-tune the element's margins, set its width and height, or adjust its alignment on the page. It's essential for maintaining the overall structure and balance of your site. A useful tip: pay attention to the padding and margin controls here, as these can significantly affect the appearance and feel of your page. The Behavior section lets you define how the element interacts during user engagement. It's here you specify what happens when a user clicks on an element, such as linking to another page or triggering an animation. Exploring these options can considerably enhance user experience on your website. Lastly, if you need detailed input on the position or dimensions, the advanced settings allow numeric value inputs. When you want precise control, this feature can be particularly beneficial. This attention to detail can set your site apart by giving it a professional touch. In summary, the power of the Inspector panel lies in its ability to give you granular control over your site's design elements. Take your time to play around and experiment with different settings to unlock the full potential of Wix Studio. With practice, you'll master creating stunning layouts that captivate visitors and deliver a seamless user experience. Remember, every option you tweak is a step toward crafting a standout digital space. Enjoy your design journey with Wix Studio, and don't hesitate to explore all the possibilities the Inspector panel has to offer.